Hello, dear students. A very good day to you all. I know you are staying home, so you are all okay by the grace of Almighty. In your at your staying home, you should maintain good health. You should do some regular exercise. You should read some extra books so that you can increase knowledge. You should watch some good movies and side by side regular studies. It will help you to learn more. This way you should pass your time in this pandemic situation. So welcome you all to online class. I'm Richard Gomez. I'll take English second paper of class 5 today. Adjective. I'm discussing generally here the adjectives. What is an adjective? How many kinds of adjectives are there? Examples. These things I'm discussing in this class. I'm writing some questions and giving the answers that will make you easy to understand. So adjective, what is an adjective? Give 5 examples. So an adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun, or in other way we can say an adjective is a qualifying word. That is, for example, good, tall, to, enough, each, etc. The use of adjectives. There are two uses of adjective. We can use adjectives in two different ways. First of all, attributive use, and number 2, predicative use. So what are these? Number 1, attributive use. When there is a noun or pronoun after adjective, then it is called attributive use of adjective. For example, Sabina is a brilliant student. Here, brilliant, this adjective is used here as attributive use. This is the attributive use of adjective because this adjective is directly qualifying a noun, student. He is a brave man. The brave is qualifying the word noun. The noun, noun here, man. So here brave is using as attributive. That is attributive use of an adjective. We have 2 hands, 2 here adjective. It is using as attributive. That is attributive use of adjective. And what is predicative use? When there is no noun or pronoun after adjective, then it is called predicative use of adjective. This adjective also qualifies noun or pronoun, but after the adjective there is no noun or pronoun. For example, Sabina is brilliant. So here brilliant, the adjective is using as predicative use. If I say Sabina is a brilliant girl, then brilliant girl, brilliant here is attributive use. But here only brilliant, so it is predicative use. He is brave, brave adjective. Our hands are clean, clean adjective. These are using as predicative use of adjectives. Now, how many kinds of adjectives are there? Give their names, definitions with 3 examples. So there are 4 kinds of adjective. These are adjective of quality or qualitative adjective or descriptive adjective, you can say. Number 2, adjective of quantity or quantitative adjective. Number 3, adjective of number or numeral adjective. And number 4, pronominal adjective. The adjectives that comes from pronoun. So first one, adjective of quality or qualitative adjective or descriptive adjective. What is it? An adjective of quality shows the quality of a person or thing. For example, the lion is a ferocious animal. Our city is big. Kazi Nazrul Islam is a rebel poet. Here, ferocious, big, rebel. These underlined words, these are adjective of quality because they are showing the quality of person or things. Second one, adjective of quantity or quantitative adjective. An adjective of quantity shows the quantity of a thing which cannot be counted but be measured. This is a very important things because adjective of quantity is similar to numeral, definite numeral adjective. Indefinite numeral adjectives. We'll find it later on. I didn't have any money, any. There is little milk in the pot, little. The man lost all his wealth, all. Here, any, little, all, these are adjective quantity because these are showing the quantity of things which cannot be counted but be measured. If it is if it is counted, then it will go to numeral, special numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective. We'll see it later. So number 3, adjective of number or numeral adjective. So numeral adjectives show the number of a person and thing, or in what order a person or a thing stands. Numeral adjectives are of two kinds: definite numeral adjective and indefinite numeral adjective. So I am showing you first of all indefinite numeral adjective because it is quite similar to adjective of quantity. Number 2 here, last one, indefinite numeral adjective. Some boys are playing in the field. Here, some. Few girls were absent. Few. There are no books on the table. No. Here, some, few, no. These are indefinite numeral adjectives, and these are counted because some boys we can count. 2 boys, 5 boys, 10 boys. Few girls we can count. No books we can count. So this is the adjectives are same, but according to use it is indefinite numeral adjectives, and we find the same adjectives in adjective of quantity. Now the definite numeral adjectives, they are of 3 kinds: cardinal numeral adjective, ordinal numeral adjective, and multiplicative numeral. So first one, cardinal numeral adjective, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 10 oranges in the basket. 10. I will do the work within 1 hour. 1. 3 hours have passed. He has left for the village. 3. So here 10, 1, 3, these are cardinal numeral adjectives. Ordinal numeral adjectives, first, second, third, these numbers actually. Hassan is the first boy in the class. Here first. We'll have math class in the second period. Second. The last person will come first. Last, first. These are all ordinal numeral adjective. The third one, multiplicative numeral adjective, single, double, triple, fourfold. There was not a single boy in the class. Single. He played a double game. Double. The team won triple championship. Triple. These are multiplicative numeral. Number 2, I have discussed indefinite numeral adjective. This is similar to adjective of quantity, but this actually indicates the thing which can be counted, but in case of adjective of quantity, the things cannot be counted. Fourth one, the last one, pronominal adjectives, that is the adjectives that comes from originally they are pronouns. The adjective that comes from pronoun, the pronoun that is placed before a noun and acts like an adjective is known as pronominal adjective. There are 5 kinds of pronominal adjective. They are as follows. First of all, demonstrative pronominal adjective. This pen is mine. Here this generally demonstrative pronoun, but after the pronoun, the pen noun has come. So the pronoun is no longer a pronoun, it becomes adjectives. Demonstrative pronominal adjective. That star is bright. That. I have other pens beside this. So this, that, other, these are all demonstrative pronominal adjective. Now number 2, distributive pronominal adjective. Every mother loves her child. Every. Each girl got a prize. Each. Either team scored a goal. Either. These are all distributive pronominal adjective. Number C, possessive pronominal adjective. My shirt is new. My. We respect our elders. Our. Their classroom is clean. Their. So my, our, their are possessive pronominal adjective. Number D, interrogative pronominal adjective. What book are you reading? What? Which pen do you want? Which? What color does Sabina like? What? What, which, and what. These are all interrogative pronominal adjectives. Last one, number E, relative pronominal adjective. I know which book he needed. Which? He gave me that news that I wanted. That. I spent what money I had what. Here, which, that, what are relative pronominal adjectives. So these are all from adjective. Now some homework for you. Number one, find out the adjectives and classify them from the following sentences. There are 5 sentences. You have to underline the adjectives and you have to classify for types. And whenever you are classifying numeral adjective, you should mention whether it is cardinal, ordinal, or multiplicative, or indefinite numeral adjective. When you are classifying it as pronominal adjective, so you should mention whether it is distributive pronominal or interrogative pronominal. This way you have to classify. The first, A, the road is narrow. B, Hassan is a smart boy. C, we have a rich library. D, which fruit do you like? E, Habib is the 3rd boy in the class. Number 2 question, fill in the blanks with appropriate adjective. That is, you have to put appropriate adjectives here for filling the blanks. A, Bangladesh is a dash country. B, I drink dash coffee. C, the rich man has dash wealth. D, strike the iron when it is dash. E, dash vessel sounds much. Sometimes there may be more than one appropriate adjectives. You can use any one. If it is appropriate, then it will be correct answer. Number 3, classify the underlined adjective. Here the adjectives are underlined. You have to give the names, classify. What types of adjectives these are? A, those fancy goods are cheap. 3 boys were fighting. Some words have several meanings. D, they had to walk a long way. And E, every boy carried his own book in the class. So these are all for today, and you have to do it as your homework. So until next class, goodbye. Stay home and be safe. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you all.